The OptumSoft Thermostat Sensor eavesdrops on the communications which control the HVAC unit. It is used in conjunction with other sensors to determine if the HVAC unit is operating as instructed. So, for example, if the thermostat or controls call for heat and the air supply to the building is cool, then we can deduce that the HVAC unit is malfunctioning. The thermostat sensor has terminals for capturing thermostat and control signals. This includes R for power, Y1 and Y2 for cooling, W1 and W2 for heating, G for blower, O for the changeover valve, X for auxiliary, and lastly C for the common wire. Every occupied terminal on the HVAC unit's thermostat board should be connected to the corresponding terminal on the thermostat sensor. This is done with standard thermostat wire. Please note that you should not disconnect the existing thermostat or controls from the HVAC unit. The thermostat sensor is wired in parallel to the existing controls and simply listens in on the signals. If you do disconnect the existing thermostat or controls, then the HVAC unit will stop working. When the thermostat signals are detected, they are communicated to the OptumSoft data collection unit for analysis and anomaly detection. The RJ45 port on the OptumSoft thermostat board is used for sending those signals to the data collection unit. Cat5e or Cat6 should be used to connect the OptumSoft thermostat sensor to the DCU. If your application is for HVAC and on the exterior of a building, then you should use cable rated for outdoors. This cable should be used with the T568B wiring pattern. To install the thermostat sensor, first turn off power to the HVAC unit. Second, open the service panel and identify a suitable location for the thermostat sensor. After that, you're going to connect each terminal on the HVAC's thermostat board to the corresponding terminal on the thermostat sensor board. Now, if some of your terminals are jumpered, just use one wire. And for those terminals that don't have any wires, simply do not connect them. You'll also want to connect the common wire. However, some units don't have a common wire. In this case, you want to connect the thermostat sensor common wire terminal to the 24-volt AC power supply of the HVAC unit. Lastly, run the Cat5e or Cat6 cable to the thermostat sensor and then close up the unit and turn it back on. After that, you'll want to call OptumSoft service to get the thermostat sensor activated. That number is 1-800-946-6440. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. I'll be adding another video which shows you what the data looks like that is captured from the thermostat sensor and how we use it.